It's raffle day here at the fusing shop, and I'm finally doing the raffle. A few days late, but I'm still getting it done. And what I've done is I've cut everyone's names up who left me the comment on the dab straw video. And for those people that I will be pulling out of this bag, you will be getting one of the dab straws that I have here. And like I said, I made 10 of them. And a fusing shop sticker, so lucky you. And let's see who those lucky people will be. I'm a little bit distracted. There's a huge carpenter bee in the shop, and it's buzzing really loudly, and it's freaking me out a little bit. All right, our first winner is McStanky Stank. Please send me an email to yourock@thefusingshop with your address so we can get you your dab straw. Okay, let's see who's next. Who's coming out of the bag? And is Baji Burrs. Baji Burrs? Whoopsie, why can't I get that in focus? Oh, it is in focus, I got it. Oh man, that bee's flying right in my face. All right, 2 so far, let's see who's next. La la la, okay. I'm not sure if this is Scotty or Scott Yao with the 6417 on the end, but you are also a winner. That's 3 so far. Let's see who's next. Okay, next up is Poncho8708. Poncho, hit me up with an email to get your dab straw. That's 4 so far. We got 6 more left. So if you haven't been called yet, hopefully you will soon. And next one up, oh, my man Mike McCown. Come on down, you won a dab straw. Hit me with, I know you know my email, Mike, so hit me up with your address and I'll be happy to get this shipped out to you. All right, let's see who's next. That is 5 so far, so we still have 5 more potential winners. Next up, oh, one of my commenters, Kelly Tomic, come on down. You have also won a dab straw. Okay, who's next? Okay, next winner. Oh, it's my good friend Eric from upstate New York. Eric, you got a dab straw. Send me your address via email, and I will get that on the way to you. Let's hear that bee buzzing over there. Oh my gosh, it's so big. I wish I could show you guys how big it is. Okay, next up is Gerard Beck. What's the number? 457. Boom, you just won a dab straw, my friend. And we have, let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 8 so far. So I have 2 more winners to choose. So let's see who's gonna be next. Okay, next up is the Smoking Cats. There we go, got that in. Okay, perfect, you have won a dab straw, my friend. And last name, let's see who gets the last one, is Wesley McCravey 901. You have won a dab straw, my friend. Give me 1 second, I'm gonna show all the names again. Whoop, coming off the tripod with me. If your name is on one of these, then please shoot me an email to yourock@thefusingshop.com to get your awesome dab straw and your fusing shop sticker. If you didn't win a dab straw this time, don't worry. I love making things and I love giving things away. So there will be more chances for you to win something that I have made. So be sure you check back. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And while you're here, why don't you watch one of our awesome glass blowing videos?